Vũ Thanh Vân started out as a rising star in the Vietnamese indie scene. What started out as a secret, soulful uploads on SoundCloud quickly sparked a whisper among indie purists across Vietnam.
A few months has passed since you released the very first album of yours. How has the audience reception been like?
That's a hard topic for me.
Why?
I don't know, I just feel like people don't like it that much. I just read online and people just say, oh, it's horrible.
Her old work is better.
Specifically saying, oh, how they miss Vũ Thanh Vân when she was on the street, and like, yo, I didn't go through all of this to keep doing that. Yeah, it's just so hard when you try to do something different and people just don't get it.
You're definitely just also experimenting and doing new things, and all great things. It just needs time.
A lot of my fans, they said, it's not something that I'm familiar with, but the more I listen to it, the more I understand it. I felt so relieved and grateful because the people that matter the most know what's going on.
You started out posting on SoundCloud, not knowing who would listen, and now you're selling out your own tour across Vietnam. What do you think the young Vũ Thanh Vân would feel seeing the artist and the person you've become today?
She wouldn't see it coming, but at some point she manifested this.